case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2002 Supreme Court of South Carolina case, Minnich v. Medwaste Inc., the court grappled with the application of a common law doctrine known as the firefighter's rule. This rule argues that public safety officers cannot seek damages for injuries sustained on duty if they were caused by the ordinary negligence of a property owner. They are, however, allowed to seek damages for injuries caused by the independent, willful, or extraordinarily negligent conduct of others, excluding their employer or co-workers. The case kicked off when Jeffrey Minnich, a public safety officer employed by the Medical University of South Carolina, was severely injured while carrying out his responsibilities. While helping to load medical waste onto a truck owned by Medwaste, Minnich realized the truck was rolling forward and about to enter a public street. In an attempt to prevent a potential disaster, he jumped into the moving vehicle to stop it, resulting in significant harm. In the wake of this traumatic incident, Minnich sought to recover damages from the defendant's employees who he claimed were responsible. The defendant, however, argued that Minnich was prevented from doing so because of the firefighter's rule. The rule, which has been adopted in some states but lacks a clear stance from the South Carolina Supreme Court, has been significantly limited or entirely abolished by several state legislatures. Considering the ambiguity, the court was tasked with determining whether the firefighter's rule applied in this particular case, and if it indeed prevented Minnich from recovering his due. This led the court to examine previous cases, like Taylor v. Palmetto Theater Company, which discussed the complex distinctions between private property and public spaces. Ultimately, the court held that South Carolina does not recognize the firefighter's rule, favoring instead the broader ability of the state's tort law to deal adequately with negligence claims. This stance bolsters the defense against acts of discrimination towards public safety officers, such as firefighters and police officers. This landmark decision was met with agreement from the Chief Justice as well as Justices Moore, Waller, and Burnett, symbolizing a significant step forward in ensuring protection for public safety officers while on duty.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.